Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to tell how can you download apps that is not available in your country or region. First, open VPN. Choose location where that app is available. I will choose US. After it connects, go back. Go to the app info of Google Play Store. After reaching there, clear storage as well as cache. Once it's done, stop the app. Once it's done, open any browser in your phone. I will open Chrome. Search for the app that you want to download. Once you search that app, open it in Play Store. You can now see the install button instead of the message saying the app is not available in your country or region. Please subscribe my channel for this type of latest and informative videos. Thanks for watching.